Vlogs are changing up. We're switching everything up. Everything brand new.
An open ear for anything that I have to offer.
What's up, guys? Fucking, I don't know if you guys are even gonna see any of those 3 videos I just made. My life's fucking changing and evolving, and I might just do something different. Yeah, so I'm gonna set up a fucking spot for this camera in the Jenny Dizzy Devil, her name is. Check her out on my IG at KPR spec. Hold on tight. Oh shit, did I fuck it up? Damn it. Yes. Holy shit. Look at that. Fucking, so I had to fucking pay all the money up for the fucking beam. We get all serious real quick. All $2,800. If you guys don't believe me, DM me, I'll send you a picture of the receipts. I don't give a fuck. That was all the bike money pretty much. Because I had to pay $1,300 for the fucking drivetrain. 2 weeks later, I wrecked the beam. And then I had to pay $2,800, so that's pretty much all the money I have for the bike. And I was gonna get paid like one more time, and then I was gonna get a decent fucking bike. But no. The bike's gonna be, it could be a series later on down the line, maybe. But for now, it's not even an option. So if I want to continue making videos or doing whatever I gotta do, then lifestyle vlogs it is. I might get some Starbucks like all the other YouTubers too. So I won't. I'll talk to you guys later. Next scene will probably be me ordering a grill online for the new car. Peace. Alright, what is up, guys? What the fuck is up, guys? We got the package. Package secured. Try to show you guys real quick before we turn the car on because it's all on. Oh, some vibes. Check it out. Might look pretty fresh silver, but we're gonna get it painted black. Fucked up. I'm feeling to go get some fucking paint. We're fucking feeling do some grub. I'm gonna go eat our last call right now. I'm about to take off, so I'm gonna stop talking. I know you guys can hear me, but it's just not smooth, you know? But oh yeah, update. I got a fucking, my dashboard up here thing fucking went out. So that's a fucking bummer. Honestly, I'm pretty hurt. The vibe says, you might have said you love that girl, but she belonged to the king, and when she with me, I let her do her thing. Last call, yes sir, yes sir. Oh, let me show you guys the dash. Oh, is there a curb here? Damn, I took up 2 parkings, I think. It is what it is. This shit. Right now, this should be telling me at least somewhere in the middle. This should be at 1. It's not even moving. That's where it should be. And I am not fucking empty. That's cap. But we feeling about to go get some last call. They just gave me this shit, so I gotta fucking wait outside. But because of Verona, y'all fuck with my mask. Shit's fire, huh? Look at my shirt. Support the fucking boys. Alright, so these motherfuckers got my shit. Oh la verga, fool. This is gonna be stupid. Fool, I didn't want that much sauce. There's no way someone could eat without making a mess on their fresh tea. If you ain't never had this place, come visit. I fucks with it. What is this big old fucking piece of tortilla in here? Fuck out of here. Mukbang. Yeah, I just try to slurp that fry. How's it not gonna focus on this? That's insane. I must have no clue what I'm doing. That is not okay if that hit my t-shirt. Red Bull. I know I said I was gonna get Starbucks like everybody else. I'm sorry, I'll get Starbucks sometimes, but fuck Starbucks. That shit's yeah, I'm not even gonna talk shit about it, but we drink Red Bulls over here. That's what it is. Oh, what it is. Oh, what's up? And now I have no fucking napkins. Is there? If anyone could guess what kind of, what's he doing, dog? Homie just stops, middle of the road, mid-turn. Alright. Oh, dude, when they discontinue these summertime ones, it's the summer edition watermelon. I might cry, dude. Ready? Hold on, let me get my nail on, dude. First sip. We fucking pulled up to Walmart. There was a fat line, so we came to Home Depot. Stupid packed here too, so I didn't even film in there. But so I got this one, universal adhesive Rust-A-Lime. I think this one's good. I hope gloss, all surface paint plus primer. So I was gonna get primer, but I found this one. Hopefully this one works. We're gonna do this one. Oh, and I got the sandpaper, but I don't know, 'cause it has the chrome on it at the top, you know, so I have to like get that shit off or it won't be mint. I need it to be mint. And then I got this extra gloss just in case it's like glossy. Did I say that already? Fucking no. Oh, did I mention I got two? Addicted. Yeah, I'll talk to you guys when we get to wherever we're gonna paint this at. And we'll see how the fuck that goes, because I honestly have no clue. You guys see me now? Maybe? Hopefully? Fuck. Alright. Well, we're finna do this shit here, so let me put you guys on the tripod and figure out what the fuck we're gonna do, because honestly, I have no clue what the fuck I'm doing, so fuck it up. Waste money. Fuck it. How's that? You guys fuck with that? Let me see. I fuck with it. I gotta get down low, but it works. So I don't want it to be all like fucked up, you know what I'm saying? Like scratched. I just want to take like the paint off. And I think I got the perfect ones. Look at that. Would you guys do that? Can you see it? See it? If I'm doing something wrong, let me know so I learn, but I have no clue what the fuck I'm doing, so you live to learn, right? I actually fucks with that. Hold up, I'm gonna change my shirt though, because if I get something on this shirt, I might cry. Just show you guys real quick, so you guys know what the fuck I'm talking about. So you guys can see how shiny it was. Look at it. It was like that. Fuck it. I think I'm doing it right. I'm gonna stop this real quick so we don't waste all the battery, but I'll do the other side. Alright, check it out. I don't know if you guys can tell. I'm gonna wipe it off with some water, clean it, dry it, and then we're going to just fucking send it. Alright, it's all prepped and ready to fucking paint, I guess. That's how it works. I think that's the next step. How's that for you guys? Satisfied? Coat ready to 2 months. Fuck it, you know what it is. Catch you guys in like 15 minutes because we gotta let that one dry. But I fucking forgot. We gotta do this part. Look, see this top part? We gotta do this part too. And I'm back. This shit's about to die. Well, I'm gonna take this shit off and then I'll tune back in with you guys so we can finish the layers. Got the grill off. If the battery dies, I'll finish a little bit on my phone. Sorry if the quality changes, but just a heads up. Okay. But my hair's fucked up, so don't even acknowledge it. There was kind of some wind earlier. I hope you guys can hear me. Alright, quick update. I got this piece off the car. So I'm gonna sand it down because this is what was the black it was, all fucked up. And this is the first coat still. I'm gonna do the second coat of this, sand this down, and then yeah. Alrighty, so this is the one we did. I got the wide angle on, sorry if it looks weird. That was the old one that was on there. It was all faded though, I painted it, so it looks a lot better. I got this shit cleared, painted off. So I'm gonna paint this one now, put that one on. Alright, this is the finished product we got for this one. Not bad. Hope that angle works for you guys. My bad, I can't really see. This top piece, we gotta put that back on. We'll be all set, boys. All fucking set. Well, I'm gonna throw this together and then I'll show you guys when it's all done. But yeah, shit, I need the sun. But yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video, guys. Thank you guys for stopping by, checking it out, tuning in. If you guys enjoyed, please feel free to subscribe, like. I don't know what the fuck's going on with my hair, so I'm gonna keep it right here. Subscribe, like, comment, leave me some comments down below. If you guys got any ideas or you guys want to make a video with me, let me know. Shit, I'm down. I'm always down for shit. But that's gonna be it for today's vlog. So I'll catch you guys next time. Peace. The mountains is our vibe. We're gonna go to the crest up there for in a future video.